So when I think about style in terms of an evolution, all right, when you're like a teen, that basically is you trying to figure things out. And honestly, I'm going to give you a pass if you're under 21 years old in terms of some of the choices that you're making. But once you reach about the age of 25, now you're on your own. Now you should be making your own money. Now you should be making better choices stylistically. Today, I'm going to go over a few items that a man should never wear over the age of 25. Number one is what I call business boy uniform. What this is khaki pants, a button-up shirt, and a tie to get dressed up, right? Every young dude, that's what he wears, right? But as you evolve, as you get a little bit older, you gotta do better, right? When you're a young dude, right, and you got a wedding to go to, boom, khaki pants, button-up shirt, and a tie. You got an awards ceremony because you won a trophy, boom, khaki pants, button-up shirt, and a tie. You got a hot date with Becky Sue, you wanna wear something a little bit sexy, you're dressing up, what are you gonna wear? Exactly. Khaki pants, button-up shirt, and a tie. Thumbs down once you reach the age of 25. You got to do better. It's time to dress it up. At this age, you should be wearing and owning a suit. Brings me to number two, and that is a cheap, unfitted suit. All right, here's the deal. I don't care that the suit's not expensive, but you got to spend a little bit of cash to make sure that it fits you properly, all right? A few items that make it look better is in the body of the suit. It shouldn't be too big or roomy, all right? The length of the sleeves. You need to expose about a half to a full inch of cuff when your arm is down. And then the pants, instead of just having them basically cropped or hemmed, you also want to make sure that they are tapered as well to make sure that the suit looks amazing. Which brings me to the next thing, and that is pants that are too long. Guys, this is one of the biggest style deal breakers out there. If your pants are puddling around your ankle, it's making you look short. And if your pants are long, right, in the crotch area, this also makes your legs look super short. Also, you want to make sure that the pants are not too wide and baggy in the legs, all right? It's going to make you look short. You also don't want your pants to be hanging, sagging off of your ass. Gentlemen, pull them up and wear a belt, but not just any belt. You got to make sure your belt isn't beat up. You got to make sure that the buckle is not big and like flashy. You also want to make sure that it's not a counterfeit designer belt, all right? I don't want to see any of those like double G belts when I know that literally like it's designer knockoff. Guys, there's no excuse for that. Instead, rock something like this. It is the Anson Belt. I'll link to them down below right now. If you want to grab a box set, gentlemen, you're getting 6 belt combinations for under $100. More about these in a second. Accessories, the next thing. Gentlemen, too many rings, don't do it, right? If you're a dude and you're wearing like more than one ring on a hand, you look stupid. If you're wearing an Apple Watch, I'm not saying it's not functional, but it's definitely not a grown-up watch, all right? And so what I'd recommend is upgrade. Now, some of you are like, oh, well, if I can't afford an expensive watch, you don't need to. There are so many amazing badass watches out there for like under $100 or $500 or $1,000. Guys, watches are one of those things where you spend the money and every single day you're gonna look down and you're gonna love it. The next thing is fake leather jackets. Brings me to the next item, and that is fake leather shoes. All right, so here's the thing. We got to unpack these two things, all right? Number one, leather jackets are amazing, all right? Now, all leather jackets weren't created equal. Some were created a little bit more fashion forward, right, with all the zippers and stuff. Others, a little bit more timeless and classic. The bomber jacket, amazing, right? A simple zip up with a collar, amazing, right? And if you want to go racer jacket without a collar, that's also appropriate for pretty much any age. The ones with like the biker jackets with all the zippers, that is definitely a more stylized option. And if you're a little bit older, like in your 40s, this may look a little bit funky. Something else that always looks funky is fake ass leather shoes. And that's something you should never wear. Guys, here's the truth. Leather is the best when it comes to jackets, when it comes to belts, when it comes to shoes. You got to make sure you're wearing high quality because A, it's not much more expensive than the cheap stuff and it's going to last you a lot longer. It's also going to look better and you're also going to be more confident wearing it. Guys, upgrade, spend a little bit more money, all right? Back to belts. One of the big mistakes that a lot of guys make is wearing belts that are basically just not right. And by not right, it means they've got too many holes, they've got too many dings, they've got cuts, they've got lines, they aren't matched to the leathers. Guys, here's the deal. If you want to make sure that you always look stylish and sexy, you gotta upgrade your belt, all right? This is my favorite. It is from Anson, all right? The reason it's so sexy, check it out, right? No holes. The track system, gentlemen, that is where the magic of the Anson belt happens. Check it out. Boom, right there. Have you ever seen a cleaner, sexier belt? Are you kidding me? The matte black buckle, the classic Anson strap, gentlemen. Bottom line is this: if you are ready to upgrade your wardrobe, a quick and easy and affordable way is to get a better belt. Guys, belts are amazing. Not only are they going to help finish an outfit, it's a great way to add a pop of color and to also just express yourself stylistically speaking. And like I said, right now, for actually under $100, you can grab a box set. You get to pick 3 straps, 2 buckles. They're all interchangeable, and that's the other thing about Anson, right? Check it out. Right there, boom. Right there, pop it off. And then, what do you want? You want me to change the buckle? All right, let's do gold just because I think it's sexy, right? Check it out. This is actually a box set. And like I said, all the belts and buckles are interchangeable, right? All you do is pop it in there, right? And then you lock it down, and that's it, right? You are ready to rock. Check it out. How sexy is that? If you're somebody that has a tough time finding like the proper brown leather, they've got a huge selection. If you've got a suede that you're looking for, they've got suede as well. But they also have an insane selection of super awesome canvas straps, right? One of my favorites right here, it's a camo, it is so sick. Another one is the all black, you can't go wrong with that. But this one I love. The gray with the black buckle, it is just so sick. Guys, that's the thing. You can mix and match. They got a huge selection. Now is the time. Guys, like I said, if you haven't been to Anson Belt in a while, they've got some new straps that are insane, new buckles. Guys, hit the link down below. If you go through my special link, guys, you're gonna get to build a box set for under $100, which means you get to pick 3 straps, 2 buckles, your choice. It's up to you, which means you get 6 total belt combinations for literally under $100. It is the biggest belt no-brainer in the history of belts. Also have some higher end belts, right? This one that I recently got, I cannot wait. It's an Italian calfskin. It is so rich, so sexy. It even smells amazing. Guys, I'm telling you, hit the link down below. Once you try an Anson belt, you will never go back to standard belts because you don't have the holes to get all rough. And the other cool thing, they come one size fits all, which means all you do when you get your belt is put it around, grab a pair of scissors, measure it, cut it, attach your buckle, and you're ready to roll, which means Anson belts also make an amazing gift. The next thing you should never wear over the age of 25 are stripes. In my opinion, stripes are stupid. So are little boy polos. Guys, upgrade, go black, go white, go blue. Something else you shouldn't wear over the age of 25 are wife beater shirts as a standalone shirt, all right? Here's the deal. They make you look like a Guido. Next up is dumb sunglasses, all right? Young dudes can get away with wearing like the stupid looking sunglasses because, well, when you're young, you're stupid. But as you age, as you evolve stylistically, you want to make sure you upgrade your eyewear. Sunglasses are an amazing accessory every guy needs. The 3 styles that I would look for are the Wayfarer, the Aviator, or the Clubmaster. Those 3 styles are clean, classic, mature, and sexy. Big, bulky boots, out, gentlemen. Boat shoes, don't even think about it. Running shoes with anything other than like when you're running, don't do it. And dirty, anything is a bad look, gentlemen. It's bad. It's horrible. It's not even acceptable, all right? Something else is not acceptable are shirts that are too long covering your crotch. One of the big mistakes that guys make with button-ups is they think that they can wear a dress shirt untucked. When it comes to button-up shirts, guys, there are 2 different options. You've got button-up dress shirts and you've got button-up casual shirts that were designed specifically to be worn untucked, all right? If you're wearing a shirt that's too long and it covers your crotch, it makes you look super short. Graphic t-shirts also suck. I'm just saying. Most graphic t-shirts suck. Now, there's the occasional graphic t-shirt that is fine, but if it's got any like funny like design or anything that's a little bit like outlandish, or if it's got like leaves of like pot on it, like stop. Just stop. Fedoras, they're not cute anymore. They're really bad, all right? Any type of like big brimmed hat, you gotta be careful, all right? Baseball hats, let's talk about it. All right, backwards makes you look youthful. Out to the side makes you look stupid. To the front is fine. Don't tuck your ears in. That's a big, like, huge no-no, all right? And if you're gonna wear it right and you're gonna pop it up like that, you look stupid as well, right? Make sure the baseball hat fits you properly or don't wear it at all. Something else I don't want you to wear at all is little boy backpacks, all right? Here's the deal. You're a grown-ass man, you're 25 years old, you're not living at your mom's, or at least you shouldn't be, and upgrading the bag that you're carrying all your crap in is a great way to not only elevate your aesthetic, it's gonna help you look more mature, refined, and stylish. And the last few things I wanna talk about are t-shirt related, all right? If your t-shirt is too tight, it's bad, right? I know that you think, yo, I'm jacked. You're not jacked. You look like a sausage. You also look like you're trying a little bit too hard. You want to make sure that you're rocking a t-shirt, the sleeves aren't coming down too long, covering your entire arm, all right? When you lift those sleeves up, it's going to make your arms look a lot bigger, all right? The body of the shirt should not be skin tight. It also shouldn't be too long, big, and baggy, all right? The oversized trend is a trend. It looks okay on younger dudes that are trying to express themselves and keep up with trendy styles, but as a grown-ass man, you should wear something that fits your body a lot better, all right? And if any shirt has pit stains, there's no saving the white shirts. You got to toss them. But this brings me to the last thing. I want you to go through your wardrobe and toss or donate anything you don't like, you don't love, or you don't enjoy wearing. Guys, don't keep shit just because you have it. All the clothing in your wardrobe, you've got to make sure that you wear it, that you enjoy it, that you love it. If it doesn't fit your body, if it doesn't make you feel sexy and confident when you wear it, it needs to go.